Lovers, and the Three of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Aquarius energy. Six of Wands is here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, fire sign. I can see growth pagdating sa pera, finances. Nakakita ko sa inyo, you are lucky sa mga nagiging kaibigan mo or might be nakakapareha mo, nakakapartner mo. Kasi nakakita tayo ng growth sa'yo dahil sa kanila. Like, maybe they are the one helping you na ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo. Or with the Six of Wands, simpleng pagtulong nila sa'yo. So, nakakatulong yung pagtulong na yun sa'yo kasi nagkakaroon ka ng growth. Yung iba, financial growth. The moon is here. Something to do with the person. I feel like there's this pagtatago na or sikreto na ginagawa itong taong ito towards you. Alamin natin. I mean, I don't like yung secret niya kasi pwedeng if you have relationship or partnership nitong taong to, yung sinisikreto niya pwedeng magdulot ng ending. The Lovers, I don't know, maybe may partnership nga talaga sa inyo nitong taong to, and please tell me what's with the Magician. Sorry. With the Moon pala. The Sun is here. Oh yeah, this could be a twin flame or soulmate connection. Maybe someone from or maybe may connection kind like twin flame connection para sa iba. That's a yin and yang energy with the Moon and Sun. This is a person na may, I can see a very stable person. Another connection with the Hierophant. Ang tinatago niya. May tinatago siya talaga. This is another connection. If hindi ikaw yung twin flame na tinutukoy natin dito, this could be this person with the King of Pentacles dealing with his or her twin flame, and pwedeng sinisikreto niya ito sa'yo. I want to know kung ano yung nasa isip mo regarding dito. So, ito na nga, lumabas na nga. Four of Cups. I feel like you don't have any idea sa nangyayari. Some of you, ang focus mo ay children or kids. If you do have children or kids with this person, nandun yung focus mo. Okay? And I'm feeling like hindi ka rin sure kung anong gagawin mo just in case. Maybe mayroon kang idea regarding dun sa kanilang connection and hindi mo rin alam kung anong gagawin mo just in case dumating yung person na ito. Basta ang focus mo ngayon is money. And kung may mga money problems dito, which is with the Five of Wands, gustong maayos ito, and yeah, you're focusing dito sa iyong stability, sa growth. The Three of Pentacles is here. Clarify the Three of Pentacles, please. Spirit guides, angel guides for fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What's with the Three of Pentacles? The Three of Pentacles is the Four of Swords and the Devil, Capricorn energy. I feel like kailangan mong with the Devil, you need to be like the one na magmando or masunod. I'm feeling like in a way na hindi naman mag-iiba yung tingin sa'yo ng mga taong nasa paligid mo, nakasama dito sa growth na ito. Hindi ka pwedeng walang gagawin with the Four of Swords. Like, they need to follow you with the Judgment. And yun nga, kung gusto mo magkaroon ng pagbabago, kailangan baguhin mo rin yung kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Kailangan hayaan mo sila na makinig sa'yo, or kailangan mo silang sunod sa'yo, you know. Anyway, regarding this King of Pentacles, please tell me, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, for the sign of fire sign. Yeah, you could be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. For fire sign, please tell me about the King of Pentacles. Masaya tong person. Actually, masaya naman itong person na ito sa iyo sa connection na meron sa inyo. Kaya nga tinatry niyang itago or hindi na lang sabihin itong kung ano man itong the Knight of Pentacles, which is, this is like a person na parang nasa isip niya ngayon. Maybe may mga offers sa kanya itong taon to, like may gusto siyang mga ayusin sa connection nila. So, yung King of Pentacles is thinking about this person, thinking about the offer. Pero, sabi ko nga, masaya naman sa'yo tong person na ito. Masaya naman yung connection. And I feel like, kung may relationship sa inyo, talagang masaya naman yung relationship. There are times na nag-aaway, it's normal, completely normal. I feel like, may mga times din naman na may pag-aaway, pero kailangan ayusin agad. Kasi kung hindi ayusin agad, pwedeng magdulot siya ng hindi maganda. Some of you, pag nag-away kayo, medyo immature yung pag-aaway. So, kaya madali ring ayusin. Pero pag pinatagal, it could lead into a longer separation, and hindi mo gusto yon. So, yun la. Parang ang advice sa'yo is huwag patagalin yung away with this person. Kasi hindi magbubunga ng maganda. Pwedeng magtuloy-tuloy and then to the point na pwedeng hindi na maayos pa. Okay, anyway, what will happen in the next future for you? Fire sign. Ano naghihintay kay fire sign in the near future, please, for fire sign? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, ano naghihintay kay fire sign in the near future? In the near future for fire sign. King of Swords is here. Nine of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. The Eight of Cups is here. The Hierophant. Tell me more in the near future, please. In the near future. Justice card and Three of Wands, and the Death card is here. This is the Lovers and the Ten of Swords. Ayusin ko lang, guys. Clarify the Death card. Ace of Cups is here, and clarify the Ace of Cups, please. Page of Pentacles. Oh no. Temperance. Ace of Wands is here, and you do have here the Six of Cups. I mean, I don't like the energy kasi actually in the near future, possible na with the King of Swords, this is you. Hindi maganda kasi yung relationship mo with this person might end. Kahit may marriage na involved dito with the Justice card, this could end with the Death card. Yeah, this is you concentrating sa might be career. You are feeling a lot of stress kasi hindi mo alam kung paano maabot yung mga pangarap mo. And I'm feeling like the Three of Wands, some of you pwedeng mas mag-concentrate ka sa career na maging dahilan para mas lumayo yung loob sa'yo ng person na ito. And you do have here the Lovers and the Ten of Swords. Yung connection ninyo is the Lovers eh. Itong person na ito eh. This could possibly na mag-end siya. Hindi mo yun gusto mangyari, but eventually pwedeng mangyari siya. Because of this new beginning with the Ace of Wands. And this is the Temperance. This is the one na hinihintay ng person mo with the King of Pentacles. And si Knight of Pentacles, there's this person na might be with the Page of Pentacles magbigay ng offer sa person mo. Na this could be the Ace of Cups. This is a new beginning, new love for your person. Pwedeng siya yung makagulo eh. And that could lead into a separation between the two of you. This is you with the Ace of Pentacles. And the Nine of Cups. You would be this person na marami kang hahanapin sa person na ito, nakakonect mo, na pwedeng hindi niya na may bigay sa'yo because pwedeng yung love or yung emotions, yung effort ay mas may bigay niyo dun sa other person na nakakonect niya. With the Hierophant, parang wala kang magagawa regarding dito sa connection nila. I feel like it would hurt you a lot. Kasi lahat ng pagmamahal mo or lahat ng effort mo ay mababaliwala. Okay? Because this person would choose the new person or the new love here. And anong kailangan mo gawin? What is the advice here for a fire sign? The Fool and the World is here. The Wheel of Fortune at the bottom of the deck, and the Magician. Also, the Judgment is here. Puro major arcanas, guys. Well, the advice for you is to focus on yourself. Like, kung napapabayaan mo na yung sarili mo, especially physically, you have to, yung iba kung hindi man physical sa health, kailangan baguhin mo yun with the Wheel of Fortune. Judgment is here. Kasi pwedeng yung person mo hindi lang siya nagsasalita, pero marami siya nakikita sa'yo. With the Magician, maybe regarding your hobby, or regarding you, sa mga ginagawa mo, yung ugali mo, you have to change this. Kasi with the World, and you need to be more open pagdating sa person neto. Communication is the key. Four of Wands, if importante sa'yo yung person neto because of kung ano meron sa inyo, love, relationship, marriage, pagsasama. The High Priestess is here. Nararamdaman mo yun eh. Mararamdaman at mararamdaman mo yun kung may kulang sa relasyon ninyo. Kailangan mong punuan yun. Kasi ang dami mo ng pagkukulang na nakikita natin dito. And kailangan mong baguhin yung pagkukulang na yun. Kasi itong connection ninyo could lead into an ending kung hindi mo pupunuan yung mga pagkukulang na yun. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.